Today, I'll show you how to embed Microsoft Forms in an Outlook email. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to grab your form link, drop it into an email, and send it out so people can easily respond. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're not very familiar with Microsoft Forms or Outlook. First, make sure you've already created the form you want to share. This might be a quick survey, a feedback form, a registration form, or anything else you've built in Microsoft Forms. Once your questions are set up and you're happy with how the form looks, it's time to get the link you'll use in your email. Head over to Microsoft Forms and open the specific form you want to send. At the top of the form editor, look for the option that lets you share or send the form. When you click that, you'll see a section that gives you a URL or link. This is the address people will use to access your form. Make sure it's set to allow responses from the right audience, such as anyone with the link or only people in your organization, depending on your needs. Once that's set correctly, copy the form link. You can usually do this with a single click on a copy icon or by selecting the text and using your usual copy command. Next, open Outlook. You can use either the desktop app or the web version, whichever you normally use for email. Create a new email message. This will open a blank email window where you can add your recipients, subject line, and body text. Now paste the form link into the body of the email. You can put the link wherever it makes the most sense within your message. A common approach is to write a short introduction, explaining what the form is for, how long it will take, and why their response is important, then paste the link directly under that text. For example, you might say something like, please click the link below to complete the form, and then paste the link on the next line. Outlook will usually recognize it as a hyperlink automatically, so recipients can just click it. If you want the email to look cleaner, you can turn that raw link into a more descriptive hyperlink. Highlight the pasted URL, then use Outlook's link or hyperlink option to give it a friendly name, like open the survey or fill out the form here. This doesn't change the destination, it just makes your email look more polished and easier to read. Before you send the email, double check a few things. Make sure the link works by testing it yourself, click it from your draft, and confirm it opens the correct Microsoft form. Also verify that your form is accepting responses and that any required settings, such as deadlines or required questions, are already configured. When everything looks good, add your recipients' email addresses, write a clear subject line so they know what the message is about, and then send the email. Your recipients will receive the message with the embedded link, and they can click it to open and complete your Microsoft form. That's all there is to it. You've opened Microsoft Forms and copied your form link, created a new email in Outlook, pasted the link into the message, and sent it to your recipients so they can respond quickly and easily.